over here at the BOE, and there's new flexible display, and when it's open, it's like this. So this is the smartphone of the future. 7.56 inch QXGA flexible display. Hello, so who are you?
Hi, my name is Li Hong. Hi, welcome to BOE.
So this is plastic?
Yes.
Plastic display,
Yes.
flexible right here. And this is OLED.
Yes.
And you can bend it like this. You can bend it like that. What is your job? Are you working in the R&D for this?
Yes, I am the R&D for the flexible display.
So how soon in the future it's possible to buy a phone like this?
Maybe half year to 1 year.
Maybe as soon already. Maybe.
Maybe.
So, and then it would be possible to buy something like this. The phone of the future is just thin like that. And
Actually, it's hard to say because we have some problem didn't
to fix, right?
yes.
You fix automatically when you do mass production. Will be automatically fixed. All the problem will be fixed as soon as you make a big order, like Xiaomi or Huawei. They say I want 1 million pieces, then there will be no problem, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Okay. Let's try over here. You have edge display. This is full screen. There's no bezel. This is possible to have a phone like this?
That is a narrow model. Narrow model.
Zero bezel.
No. Narrow.
But no bezel in the bottom and the sides, no bezel.
Actually, it have. The bezel is 0.85.
Yeah, that's too much. No, I'm joking. It's very, very small. So you have very, very small bezel, and maybe in the future will be a phone like this.
Yes.
Just only display, and the battery. You need the battery.
Display.
You need the battery on the side, and then you can do this shape also, like this. All right.
That's what's the back. And I will show you. Okay.
So it's working.
Yeah. We can touch it.
So in flexible OLED technology, your company is in Beijing, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And are you the best in the world to do this? Better than LG and Samsung? Cannot say. Okay, sorry.
Cannot say.
Okay. And here is a very small bezel. Also, what does it mean? C-pole free.
It means that it without circle. No.
Without.
Without circle polarizer.
All right. Okay, cool. Let's go. Let's walk around. So you have some special display for. This is all Retina VR. Can I film in there? This is a secret? No secret. Okay. So this is 4320 by 4800. How big is the screen? Very small, like this.
Yes.
3.5 inch.
3.5 inch.
Yeah.
So this is the highest resolution VR display.
Yeah.
Highest.
No, not the highest. This one is the highest LCD display. And it has 2300 ppi.
Oh.
The brightness of this panel is lower. This one, and this is our OLED based on glass substrate, and it has 1000 ppi.
1000 ppi.
Yeah.
Very bright.
Yeah.
Oh, no, very, very high pixel density.
Yeah.
All right.
And you can try it.
Yeah. It looks. Whoa. Looks cool. All right. Cool. Thanks a lot.
And this is these two micro OLED, and it is also used to virtual reality glasses.
What is micro OLED?
It is
Micro display with OLED.
OLED
Micro display.
based on silicon base. Silicon. Yeah, silicon base. And this is glass base.
All right.
Glass substrate.
Cool. All right. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Cool. Okay, let's walk around. Hey, thanks. Do you want to come? Do you want to talk about this? How about here's some 8K display? Do you know if anybody know about this?
This is our 27-inch 8K LCD, and it has 8K resolution. The PPI of it is 325, and the color gamut you can see the color is very bright, and the color gamut of it is about 100% Adobe.
100%?
Yeah.
So right here, this is perfect for art.
This is our normal product.
Normal product.
Yeah.
So this one is 8K.
And this one is 8K. Only
Right.
this one is 8K.
This is BOE Eye Gallery. You sell many like this or not so many?
A lot of.
Many people buy gallery
In China.
display in China
Yeah.
because they want to have Mona Lisa at home, right? Cool. But it's not reflective, right? It's a backlight. Normal display.
Yeah.
LCD.
We do some special design on our LCD panel, such as the surface treatment and the backlight unit design. It's
Nice.
different from the normal LCD product.
Let's check over here. Let's check this display over there. Do you know this? So here's something about the active stylus. So here's stylus stuff.
This is we adapt the M-Lock and the Minimesh technology for notebook
So you have
active
metal mesh.
stylus. Yeah. Active
M-Lock
stylus.
metal mesh active pen.
Yeah. For notebook product.
Is this shipping?
Yeah.
Shipping already. And here's another one. M-Lock force touch.
Yeah.
Has
This is
pressure.
yeah, has pressure. This is for tablet pressure. For
Right.
pressure. Yeah.
And here you have
10.1 Y USG TDDI twin cell.
in cell.
Yeah, twin cell product in tablet.
All right. What are we looking at here? What is this? Is that a flexible display?
This is multi-point for touch. Here, one touch, multi-touch.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. What is this display here?
Our OLED twin cell product.
So
Yeah, you can see it.
this for touching?
Yeah, twin cell touch.
Full
best
in cell.
OLED. Yeah.
All right. Cool. So you have very good touch technology
Yeah,
at
yeah.
BOE.
Yeah, from the twin cell and the M-Lock and the flock.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Here, yeah.
There it is. There is all the technology at touch with BOE. Cool. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, let's go over there. I'm gonna go right down here. I'm gonna check their
From this glass, you start this
blue. Smart View,
This is bright.
Eye Care. Can you talk about this? Okay, so what are you showing here? What is this Eye Care? What does it mean?
Eye care, I mean, because blue,
Yeah.
blue ray will damage our eyes. So we load the blue ray energy to protect our eye.
So less blue.
Yeah.
This is
You can't see from without glass. This is glass. You can see. You can compare the brightness.
okay.
Yeah. One strong,
What is
one
this?
weak.
Okay.
Yeah.
Filtering, only showing blue or something.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah. This filter just.
And what is this Smart View? It means no bezel. Not working.
Now
Need
it's
to
not
connect.
working.
And does this mean bezel-less? No bezel? What does it mean?
This one?
What is this? Smart View. It means no
Smart
bezel.
wheel? No. Smart wheel means
function for low power.
low power. Yeah.
Low power consumption, 4K, 5.7 inch. Low power.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Low power.
How
Maybe
you will connect it?
maybe a smart view mode in half of the 4K mode power consumption.
Half of 4K.
Yeah.
Okay.
the power consumption.
Because power is the most in the phone. The number one power use is the display, right?
Yes.
So you try to reduce that.
Yes.
Yeah. Because high resolution, high PPI
Yeah.
will cost
More power.
Yeah, more
But how
power.
do you do less power? You have a trick. You do a trick. Some system to save power. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm asking too much. No problem. No problem. So how long it will take for you to power on again?
1 minute.
1 minute. Okay, we come back. And then over here you're showing 3D with eye tracking. So
Yeah, this is
actually it can follow the eyes.
the distance is 35 centimeter.
Yeah. So then if I go,
Yes, better wheel.
nice.
Yeah. Then you can choose. You can move your
free.
head in this distance.
Nice.
Then the eye tracking.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And here's another privacy display. So from the side, you cannot see anything. But then from here, you can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's private.
Cannot see anything on the side. And here we have Adobe
110%.
110%.
Let me show you
Yeah.
how does it works.
Yeah.
This one is our private display.
Yeah.
So it has two modes. One mode is sharing mode, and then the other mode is private mode. In private mode, you can see in the large view angle, such as here.
Yeah. You
You
cannot
can
see anything.
Cannot see nothing.
Yeah. It's black.
When I turn on the sharing mode, you can see.
Ah. So there's two modes.
Yeah.
It's a switch.
Yeah.
All right. And but does it lose visibility? Is a layer in front of the screen will
No.
hide something? What is
in
it?
the
Transparency,
in the
what's
private
called?
mode, the brightness in large angle will be decreased.
All right. Cool. And here, what does this mean? The high
Our
HDR?
not HDR, and this is wide color gamut. We call it high color gamut. So you can see this panel. This panel is bright, and this panel looks dim. 是暗的dim 是吧？the color gamut of this one is about 110% Dolby. In BT 2020 standard, it will be 85%. So it is higher than most of LCD product, and it contrasts to OLED. The color gamut is
Like OLED.
yeah.
But this is
yeah,
LCD.
Yeah, this is
Is it
LCD.
quantum dot?
No, not quantum dot.
It's BOE dot? What is it?
We optimize the panel design in the color filter and backlight unit. We use a new LED and new color filter to increase the color gamut of our product.
Nice. What we're looking at here is a dual display. So from here I can see navigation.
Yeah.
From here I can see the cartoon
Yeah.
movie.
In the left view, you can see it is 导航的
Navigation.
navigation. Yeah.
And over here is entertainment.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's amazing. How does it
Left
work?
view is entertainment.
How does this work?
We use 光栅怎么说？光栅。
Is it over here?
Active. No.
No?
No. We use
Barrier.
Yeah.
Parallax barrier. Or something.
active barrier.
Active barrier.
Not active. Not active barrier.
That's really amazing. Okay.
My English
Cool, no
is
problem, no
too
problem. Sorry, I'm
poor
sorry.
to express.
No problem. It's much,
Right.
yeah, much better than my English. And here we have 15.6 inch,
Yeah.
full HD.
Yeah.
Can you interact with it? You can touch. This is no touch.
No touch.
But is this plastic? No.
This is plastic.
Plastic display.
能给大家说一下，这只是外壳吗？我们只是展示这个 panel。
It's just a shell. What would you want to show is the panel.
The panel.
No, we just want to show the panel, not the
Just to protect it.
All right, let's check over there. There's more stuff going on here. What is MQLED? That's
this one use quantum dot materials.
quantum dot material.
Yeah. 工作原理怎么说呢？工作原理怎么说
Let me go around here.
The product, the panel structure is just like OLED, but we use quantum dot material.
In the LCD.
And the process will be different from OLED.
So there, this is quantum dot.
Yeah. 电致发光怎么说
Electro luminescence. Okay. And is this why is this a low resolution like this? 320 by 240 is the first demo.
Yeah, it's first time. We just test the method.
Testing.
Yeah, we just test the
So
the technique.
QLED is a new display technology.
Yes.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the next generation.
Next generation.
Yes.
Yeah.
How soon you can make big one like this?
Because it's the extra luminary. Yeah.
Okay.
And compared with OLED, it's inorganic,
It's not organic.
not organic. Yeah. So inorganic means long lifetime.
Long lifetime.
Yes. Sure.
How is it going to be compared to OLED? Is it going to be same quality?
Yeah, it's inorganic.
Inorganic.
Yeah.
What are we looking at here?
Yeah, it's LCD.
LCD. Very flat. This is 4K. Super flat display. So, all right, cool. And here I'm looking at the 27-inch 8K LCD. It just keeps on coming with all kinds of cool displays here. The BOE. Cool. And here's another display. No, that's not a display. All right. Okay, so here it is at the BOE tour of the booth. All right.
Get off my car!